What's in your box? Gasoline direct injection, or GDI, is the fastest growing fuel segment with more than half the U.S. fleet equipped with GDI engines. As the aftermarket's fuel injection and fuel system leader, NAPA Echlin is your full-line GDI supplier, offering the most complete new, not Reman, GDI program. NAPA Echlin GDI injectors are new, not remanufactured. Here's why. Most GDI injectors can't be remanufactured because they cannot be disassembled to replace worn and failed components. Yet several aftermarket companies offer GDI reman programs. The problem is, the injector isn't rebuilt, just cleaned, and the internal components are more likely to fail sooner. That's why we only offer pristine, new gas injectors that will deliver optimal performance and longevity. Let's take a closer look. Stainless steel calibration slide and spring assembly prevents corrosion within fuel control body, leading to extended service life. High-temp Viton O-rings enable prolonged sealing of injector under extreme heat conditions. Precision wound and trimmed solenoid windings allow the computer to command efficient fuel delivery. An included retaining clip keeps the injector in position while protecting against vibration. And additional O-rings and umbrella seals are included to ensure a trouble-free install. Optimal fuel injection performance takes quality components, expert manufacturing, and extensive testing. And that's precisely what NAPA Echlin delivers. NAPA Echlin offers more than 1,000 new fuel injectors, which are engineered in our IATF 16949 certified facility in Greenville, South Carolina. Our injectors are advanced flow matched to each specific application for balanced fuel delivery. All NAPA Echlin injectors are 100% tested across more than 35 different tests and inspections. All of this is why NAPA Echlin is your full-line GDI supplier, giving you everything needed for a complete repair.